Hello and welcome to the Sinnisj Insulator attic insulation channel, the scariest attic I've insulated. To be honest, this was a very eerie looking attic, and of course a couple days prior I had watched the Blair Witch Project, or maybe the newer version on Netflix, and this attic reminded me of the one scene where they go inside of the really creepy house in the middle of the woods. As I was going through this attic, I had to remind myself that nothing was going to pop behind me. It was very difficult because as I was working up there, I was by myself, it was dark, and it was unusually quiet. So that definitely didn't help things. Oh, and did I mention that there was a bunch of flies as well, and some of them ended up in between my eye and my glasses. Now I want to show you a few pictures of the progress of the work. So you can see the hose is brought to the far end of the attic. Here's the far end complete. I added 1 foot of insulation. I also had completely filled that drop section. The exterior wall here that I want to show you had to be insulated because there was no insulation. I want to mention to my viewers that I have other types of attic insulation videos that explain more of the different aspects of the attic and how you can save money on your heating and cooling bills with a properly insulated attic. You can click on my face icon at the end of this video to check my channel. Here is the finished product from the attic hatch point of view. The R value was brought to an R50. Please like and subscribe and check out my other attic insulation videos.